and welcome back to a new episode of Gaming Basic. In today's video, I'm back with another useful tutorial on how to redeem codes on Call of Duty Mobile. If you want to redeem codes for free stuff in Call of Duty Mobile, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, launch open Call of Duty mobile game right on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into it as well. To redeem your code, you'll need to first go to your profile, tap on your profile name or the profile avatar at the top left-hand corner from the main home page of Call of Duty Mobile. Soon after you do that, tap on the basic tab and then you'll be able to see your user ID at the top right. Simply tap on the copy button in order to copy your user ID and then close off the game, open up a web browser and into the URL box type in Call of Duty Mobile Redemption Center. Once you make a search for it, you'll be able to see the search result where it says Redemption Center Call of Duty Mobile Home. Go ahead and tap on it. Now enter your user ID that you previously copied from your profile and then enter the redemption code on the next field. Make sure to enter your code correct and after you are done, enter the verification code that is displayed right beneath. Make sure to type it in correct and then tap submit. Soon after you hit submit, you'll be able to redeem codes on Call of Duty Mobile. Pretty easy, isn't it? If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.